Hi, welcome to the demo video of the Apportunix productivity package in which we will show you the features of the app. The first feature we would like to show you is the option of replacing the posting and document date on purchase orders. Let's look at a purchase order that contains items that have already been ordered from a supplier. Purchase order was created on April the 14th and the current work date is set to 26th of April. The items have arrived today in our warehouse, so we can post and receive the items now. After posting, you can see that the posting date and the document date have been replaced on the purchase order with the current work date. The dates have also been replaced on the posted receipt. Posting date and document date of the 26th. When we look at the settings of this feature in the productivity package setup, there are three options available. Replace posting date and document date. Posting and document date will be replaced in the work date. There's one exception for the settings on the purchase documents. The posting and document dates on purchase invoices will never be replaced because they must always need to reflect the dates of the received document. Disabled, the dates will not be replaced and react according to Business Central standard. Replace only the posting date. Posting date is replaced by the work date as set on the sales documents. So let's look at a sales order to show you the function replace posting date. The sales order was created on April 16th and our work date is still April the 26th. We will post the shipment because the items are shipped to the customer today. After posting, only the posting date is changed on the sales order. The document date remains the 16th and also on the posted shipment, only the posting date is replaced. This according to the settings we made in the productivity package. For the next functionality, let's look at the option to set up a default general business posting group in the productivity package setup. In the standard functionality, when posting an assembly order, the posting will occur on the inventory adjustment account of the posting setup with an empty general business posting group. Unfortunately, this account will become a mixture of all kinds of postings since it is used for posting of assembly orders, production orders, transfer orders, as well as the posting of various item journals. Productivity package gives you the flexibility to define different accounts where the costs must be posted to. We will now navigate to the general posting setup of the assembly orders and look at the inventory adjustment account. In the standard functionality, the assembly order would be posted to account 7270, but with the extra functionality of the productivity package, you can set up an additional general business posting group, which allows you to post to a different account, in this case 7178. Let's look at the chart of accounts. Before posting the assembly order, the two accounts both have a zero balance. Now, let's post an assembly order. The assembly order has been posted. Let's look at the chart of accounts again. Here you can see the balance posted on the assembly consumption 7178. Depending on how you set up the general product posting group, you can define different inventory adjustments account. In the productivity package setup, this setting is also available for the production orders and the transfer orders. Earlier I mentioned that you can also defer postings made by various item journals. This setting can be made in the item journal template, in which you can set up the default general business posting group per journal. All postings in that journal will use the inventory adjustment account set to the combination of this business posting group and the product posting group of the item used. You see here the item journal, default general business posting group, item inventory. When we look at the general business setting, general posting setup of this item, we post an item with raw material, it will post on the inventory adjustment account 7175, which is inventory adjustment raw material. So let's post an item. We post a positive adjustment of item number, the side panel. We look at the item number. It has general product posting group raw material, so it should use the account we just set. We will post and when we look at chart of accounts, number 715, you will see a net balance. The posting we just made, direct cost 18. The next feature will enable you to limit users so they can only receive on purchase orders and ship on sales and service orders. The user will not get a pop-up when posting. The order will directly receive or ship when choosing posting. Let's look at a sales order. Normally, when posting in a sales order, you get a pop-up and you choose between ship, invoice, ship, and invoice. I will cancel this and I will go to the user setup. You see options have come up when setting up the productivity package. When I edit list and say sales ship only, you will see when we go back to the sales order, when I choose now posting, post, it will directly post. I will not get an extra pop-up and the quantity ship is shipped. This also works when you see the user setup for purchase orders and service orders, the same functionality. This next feature will give you an overview of the cost price still to be invoiced or invoices to be received. In that way, you always have direct insight in which order, which items and amounts still have to be invoiced. Let's start the report's cost to invoice. In this type, you can choose which report you want to run, cost to invoice or invoices to be received. The report can be run based on a historical date, and you can also group by source number. We will do that. Then we hit preview and close. The report shows you the expected cost values of sales orders that are shipped and received but still have to be invoiced. The report will also show you the expected sales value of the orders to be invoiced. Another nice feature of the app is the possibility to configure text and color-based environment badges. With these badges, you will always be sure in which company or environment you are working or testing in. The environment badge will be shown in the top right corner of your window. Even when opening the page in another window, the badge will remain visible in this new window. The badge setting can be made in the Environment Badges page. The badges can be set per company, environment, or environment subtype. This allows you to set the text and color in a very detailed manner. The subtypes can be set on the Environment Subtypes page. The current checkbox is set for the environment subtype you are currently working in.